Let's see some declaration which are happened in near future or earlier. So let's focus on what are the topics, what are the areas they covered. First of all, Sharm el Sheikh Declaration. This is a declaration which is for Convention on Biological Diversity. As we know, biological diversity is very important for the sustenance of our earth. Without biological diversity, we know our earth will not as a place for living. So this is a Sharm el Sheikh Declaration, that is for CBD in a short form. Next is St. Petersburg Declaration, that we know, that is for tiger conservation. Next is Delhi Declaration, which is between India and the ASEAN countries, and this is for renewable energy. Very simple. We have to remember that declaration किन के बीच में हुआ है, like India and ASEAN countries, and renewable energy के लिए हमारा declaration था. Next one is Kimberley process. This is not a declaration, but it's a process, and this is why. If you ask why it is important, then it is important because India is a founding member of this KPCS. KPCS what? Kimberley Process Certification Scheme, and this is for conflict diamonds. Conflict diamond means what? A diamond which is rough and used for finance the conflict, and this conflict is basically targeted to hamper the legitimate of a government, basically. Next one is New York Declaration. New York Declaration is for refugees and migrants. Next one is IBSA Declaration, that is for South-South cooperation. Next one is Carbis Bay Declaration, that is for G7 Health Declaration, a major focus on future pandemics. Next one is Basel Convention. Basel Convention, as we know, is for hazardous waste. And next one is Rotterdam Informed Consent for hazardous chemicals. Like if you want to do something cross border, then you have to take informed consent. Next, Bamako is for transboundary movement and management of waste, and that waste should be a radioactive waste. Stockholm, that is for POP, very short, and POP is full form for persistent organic pollutants. And next one is Minamata, that is very basic, everyone knows that Minamata is for mercury. And Alma Ata Declaration, this question came in exam of UPSC last few years back. So Alma Ata Declaration is all about health care of people. Hague is for child abduction. Talanoa is for global climate change, and Under 2 Coalition is a climate change declaration. So we have seen some declaration. Let's a quick revision. Sharm el Sheikh Declaration is for CBD. St. Petersburg is for tiger. Delhi Declaration is between India and the ASEAN countries for renewable energy. Kimberley process is about conflict diamonds. New York Declaration is for refugees and migrants. IBSA Declaration South-South cooperation के लिए. कार्बिस बे डेक्लेरेशन जो है आपके G7 कंट्रीज़ का है हेल्थ डेक्लेरेशन के लिए, और बेसल कन्वेंशन जो है वो हजार्डियस वेस्ट के लिए है. रोटरडैम जो है आपका इन्फॉर्म्ड कंसेंट के लिए है. बमाको जो है एक ट्रांस बाउंड्री मूवमेंट है एंड मैनेजमेंट है आपके वेस्ट के लिए. अगला आपका है स्टॉकहोम जो कि आपके पॉप के लिए है, दैट इज़ परसिस्टेंट ऑर्गेनिक पॉल्यूटेंट्स. मीनामाता फॉर मर्क्यूरी. एल्मा एटा डेक्लेरेशन इज़ फॉर हेल्थ केयर ऑफ पीपल. एंड हेग जो है आपका चाइल्ड एब्डक्शन के लिए है. टेलेनोवा जो है आपका ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट चेंज के लिए है. एंड अंडर 2 coalition इज़ क्लाइमेट चेंज. So now this is done for today. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.